PNI Relax, the perfect sunbed for relaxing in the garden, on the beach or by the pool. With a resistant metal structure treated against oxidation and Textilena with high breaking strength, wear resistance and weather resistance. Detachable and adjustable headrest ensures increased comfort in moments of relaxation. The PNI Relax sunbed can be adjusted with an angle of inclination between 90 and 170 degrees. Sit on the sunbed and lower your body weight, pushing yourself into the back of the chair. Lock the desired inclination by pulling the locking lever. Position under both arms outwards. Place the sunbed anywhere, indoors or outdoors, on the terrace, by the pool, on the beach, on the lawn or under the gazebo. Relax and enjoy the moments of peace and complete safety. PNI Relax will provide you with all the comfort you need. The PNI Relax sunbed can be easily assembled and disassembled. Once tightened, it can be stored anywhere without taking up too much space and can be easily moved and mounted whenever you need it.